Now, the next step, you got to make a decision. I want to work large because I kind of know what I'm doing, but if you want to experiment with a smaller file, you can begin working right from this. I'm just going to hit Command E in order to merge that down, then click on the lock. So this is now my new base layer. Now, this is the optional part. I'm going to go ahead and pull up the image size dialog box. Option Command I. Here, let me hit escape. Where on my controls? Let me hit F. There we go. So Option Command I to, and it's under image size, and 1070 times 5 is 5,350. And because I have this locked, they both change. The resample though, see how this is all blurry here and weird stuff is happening? I'm going to turn that to nearest neighbor, hard edges, click OK, and everything is perfectly upsampled. Command 0 to fit in the window, and maybe Command minus, just, well, there we go. Okay, so now we got this a good size, and we can begin to work. I'm going to come back because I want to just make sure that you understand you can work at 1070, you can work at 5350, or somewhere in between, but you need to work at even increments in order for these pixels to upsample correctly, okay, 1 to 1.